Okay, so let me just give you a rundown of what we're having to do today. Good morning, friends. Ooh, I look a hot mess. 2 o'clock in the daytime on a Sunday. And at first, I really wasn't gonna put out a video for this week, but I said I need to be consistent, and the way of doing that is when I don't want to, you need to get up and do it. Also, I wanted to test out my lens that my husband got me. This is the kit lens I have on now, so I am going to switch over to the new lens right now. And this is the new lens. It is just so much wider in my opinion, and I prefer that for my vlogs. Okay, so let me just give you a rundown of what we're having to do today. I'm having to clean up this apartment. Let me go ahead and show you what's going on, okay? This hot mess, the kitchen, I mean, girl, what's going on? Y'all need to see the backside, okay? This bedroom, this closet with all this clean laundry that just is not folded and put away properly. And then my bathroom is like the least of my worries. It's, you know, it's not bad. I gotta clean the shower and stuff. Hey, y'all. That's what we have going on today. As far as cleaning, I have a couple storerooms to do, packing, shooting some content today. So you guys are gonna see all of that and how I get stuff done. I only have about 5 hours before the sun goes down, and I really would like to be back inside the house before then. It's gonna work out. It has to work out. I have to go to 2 stores because my freaking MacBook charger broke. So that's done. So I gotta go to Target to go get another one. I would go to Best Buy, but why drive further when it's right there? Let us go clean. So I'm testing out my ability to record content for both Instagram and YouTube. I have my phone up there recording for Instagram. My camera right here doing YouTube. Y'all know what? I am gonna make a video of how I create content for all platforms. Basically, Instagram is like my main platform because that's where I have my most like reach. And then YouTube will be my second. And I'm trying to grow on TikTok and stuff. I don't really dig TikToking like that, but I'll do what I gotta do. So we're gonna pack this bag first because that's the first video I'm recording, and then I'll do a cleanup. Packing cubes are a must. If you don't have them, then you're not packing properly. I said it once and I said it again. You could fit a lot in here if you have them. I only carry-on bags. We don't check nothing. Y'all know how I said I was recording for both YouTube and Instagram. Baby, I forgot to hit record on this camera and I just recorded everything for Instagram. And if you think I'm gonna unpack this bag for the benefit of this video, yeah, you gotta be out your rabbit tail mind because I'm not doing it. The bag is packed. It is fully packed. I'ma just have to show y'all. Let me just show y'all. I'm not repacking this bag. I am gonna just show y'all how I packed my stuff in them cubes that I was talking about. All my clothes is in here. This is 2 pair of shoes. Yeah, that's 2 pair of shoes. And then all my like undergarments and stuff is there. So there we got that. And then in this side, I have my hiking backpack, my hiking boots, and some more shoes over here. I'm adding this umbrella to the bag. I'm also gonna add a rain jacket just in case. I do want to get a Columbia rain jacket, but this North Face is just gonna have to be okay. It's probably my husband calling me for real. Just as I suspected. Hello, sir.
Hey, are you busy?
I'm recording for YouTube. What's up?
Are you still recording?
Do you want me to cut the camera off? You got something to tell me?
I got something to tell the people.
All right, let them know.
2024, we vote for Trump.
Boy, get off my phone playing around. All right, so I have all that in this bag. And honestly, I have more space if I wanted to put anything else in here. For this bag, this is my lap bag, I'd like to call it. My little hoe bag. It's what my man call it. All my electronics as far as camera stuff is gonna go in there. So this whole shebang, baby, this is cute. Pink everything, okay? Now that we're done packing, let's get to cleaning this place because we still have gym, food, and Target on our list today. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't. I'm back without any chapstick on. Ignore that. I finished cleaning up this entire place. Let me show you guys how it looks. Okay, all of our travel stuff that we're leaving with is over here. Yeah, the living room is clean. My desk is pretty picked up. This is trash in this corner that I'm gonna take out with me because I am having to go to the store still. Kitchen, pretty good. Bathroom, bedroom, check. The only thing that's not check, and don't get at me, is this closet, which I'm going to tame tonight after I go to the gym, go to the store, and also get some dinner. I'll just fold while like listening to worship music. And then I also need to spend time with God today. So I am gonna do a Bible study and watch a sermon and take notes on stuff like that. But before we go to the gym and go to the store. I am gonna edit a couple YouTube videos. I am gonna edit a couple reels on my phone really quick. So let's get that done so we can have that out of the way. And look where we're at. We're at the gym. I made it. Let's get this workout on. Okay, I made it to Good O Public. Only here to get some chips, deli meat, and some bread. I have fruits in the house already that I'll probably end up juicing tomorrow morning before going to work. Because it's a short week for me, I'm basically only gonna need to eat for maybe 3 days. Because after the 3rd day, we leave on Thursday morning to head out to our next location, which you will see. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm in from the cold. My groceries are right here. I have dinner already set up and ready for me. I'm gonna go take a shower and after that eat dinner and spend time with God. This literally concludes my productive Sunday. It just consists of cleaning, resetting, setting my intentions, and figuring out what I'm gonna do this week. I'm so glad your girl picked 3 days before the trip, because I do it the day of. I don't know why, but that's just me. As I always say on this channel, I love you, but God loves you more. Go out, be great, and create. Peace.